Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Arman bin Muhammad Al-Yusuff and my metric number is 057236. So this is the presentation on my computer programming project. So before we get started, I will explain to you about the background for my project. As we know, nowadays there are so many people who want to lose their weight or have an ideal body shape, but they have problems with their diet. Why is this happening? This is because they don't know the minimum calories that they need in a day. For this problem, I have made a system or a program that will calculate the calories that we need in a day, the minimum calories that we need in a day, with some information from the user. So let's get started. Here I will show you the flowchart that I have made for my coding. So this is the flowchart. As we can see here, there are main, male, and female. What is that? The main. This is the flowchart for the main coding in my system, and this male and female are the method for calculating for the male user and female user. As you can see here, I use the different calculation, different formula for male and female. As we can see here, I am using the loop. So for the loop, we need to have a counter. So the first user, we put how many user that want to calculate their calories need. So here I will get the number of the user, and in the loop, inside the loop, I will get the information about their gender, their height, their weight. And for here, as we can see, what is this? This is the activity factor, which is this will choose how active they are in their daily life. And then we can see here the selection for male or female. If the user choose male, the input will be calculated in this method, which is using this formula, and their color and the output will be shown here. The user choose female, it will use this method. Alright, that's basically for the raptor. Now we are going to see at the pseudocode for my coding. This is the pseudocode for the main coding. Yeah, just like the raptor, I will get the how many users that want to use the system, and I will have their information about their height, their weight, and etc. And if we can see here, this is where the user will choose whether they are male or female, and it will call their method for the system. And now this is the pseudocode for the method. This one is for the male method, and this is for the female method. As you can see here, I use the different calculation, different formula for each gender. And now we will look at the main coding in Java. Alright, here is the main coding. This is where I initialize the variables. They are integer, they are double, and they are character. Here I use for loop for number of the user. Alright, so in the loop, so here is where I will get the information from the user, which is get the user input. And if you can see right here, I use if else statement to choose their how active they are in their daily life. Alright, and now this is where we call the method, whether male or female. And then as we can see here, this is the method for male user, and this one is the method for the female user. As I said before, I use the different formula for each gender. So that's it. This is the coding for my system, the calorie calculator system. Alright, now we will see the demonstration for this coding. Alright, Shift F6.
enter the number of users. Maybe I will put 2 users for male and female. If you are male, insert M. If you are female, insert F. My height is my weight 63. My age is 18. How many days exercise in a week? Maybe 3 days in a week. And it is showing the calories that I need in a day, right? Okay, this for the second user. If you are male, insert M. If you are female, insert F. So I will use female. I use F. The height, weight, age. How many exercises in a day? Maybe 5. Alright.
As you can see here, the system is running smoothly. And it shows the output that user want. As you can see here, total calories that you need to maintain your body is 2,384.7 calories per day. And this is for the first user, and this one is for the second user. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.